everyone. So now we are going to learn about the topic SAP products. So before we move to the discussion on SAP products, let us see the client server environment. As in our earlier session, I have discussed that SAP produces two products that are R by 2 and R by 3. As I told, R by 2 runs on mainframe system, whereas R by 3 on client server environment. So client server is still very popular concept. SAP R by 3 was built around the concept of client server. ECC, on the other hand, is built around SAP. A client server environment is one in which the client machine, an individual PC, workstation, mobile computing device, or even another computer system request information via a connection from the supplying machine known as server. The communication and interchange of data between the requesting and supplying machine is known as the client server relationship. So SAP has two products, R by 2 and R by 3. R by 2 is a real-time enterprise resource planning ERP software. It is an SAP AG mainframe software that runs on IBM, Siemens, Amdahl and compatible equipment. We can link R by 2 to R by 3 systems and share online data. R by 2 system is mainly targeted at enterprises with data intensive and centralized industries. R by 2 is the predecessor of the client server R by 3 system. R by 2 system offers comprehensive, fully functional business applications to satisfy the demands of mainframe users. So you see that SAP R by 2 system attained the high level of stability of the previous generation of programs. Keeping in mind it is a multinational customers, SAP designed SAP R by 2 to handle different languages and currencies. With these other innovations in SAP R by 2, SAP sees rapid growth. What was unique about R by 2 was that it was a packaged software application that processed real time on a mainframe computer, taking advantage of time sharing option and integrated all the enterprise functions such as accounting, manufacturing processes, supply chain logistics and all human resources. Let us discuss on SAP R by 3. SAP R by 3 is a client server based application and it is designed to run simultaneously across several separate computer systems. R by 3 architecture allows distribution of the workload to multiple PCs connecting in a network. As we have seen in our slides about the client server environment, this is what I am talking about R by 3. The SAP runtime system is designed in such a way that it distributes the presentation, application logic, and the data management to different computers. SAP R by 3 is arranged into distinct functional modules. The most widely used modules are financials and controlling, FICO, human resources, HR, material management, sales and distribution, SD, and production planning, PP. By 1996, the company had earned 1000 plus new SAP R3 customers. Now it is 2014, so you imagine how many customers the company had earned. At the end of the year, SAP R by 3 has been installed more than 9,000 systems worldwide. I'm talking about the year 1996. So this is what SAP R by 3 is designed to handle all the business management tasks of a company. Some particular examples that you will see: the payment of invoices, the management of production resources, and the control of financial accounts. When we install Microsoft Excel on our PC, each component of Excel, printing components, graphic components, word processing components, and etc., is stored, managed, and processed by the hardware of our PC. So when a company installs SAP softwares, each component or layer in R by 3 case is stored, managed, and processed via the hardware of separate and specialized computer systems. Each of the various layers is capable of calling upon the specialty of any of the other installed layers in order to complete a given task. So this is how the SAP R by 3 has been designed, and every company is now running on SAP R by 3, which is real-time 3-tier architecture. This is a simple layout of SAP's market approach. As we see, these are the package which SAP has developed. We call SAP Business Suite, SAP Business All-in-One, SAP Business by Design, SAP Business One. This SAP's product is constantly extended, optimized, and tailored to the needs of market and of customers. Therefore, SAP has developed many industry-specific solutions over the years. SAP products integrate different business systems, different vendors, and across company boundaries. Products for small to mid-sized business have also been added to SAP's family solution. Now let's please learn about the SAP product. The figures 3 levels portray a business-oriented view of solutions that address your specific business issues. There's a top level and a product-oriented view of the SAP applications and the technical infrastructure that are the foundation for those solutions, which you can see in the middle and bottom level. The business solutions in the first level are flexible combinations of application software, services, and supports that help you. Whereas the business solutions in the first level are flexible combinations of application software, services, and supports that help you solve business problems and achieve your business objectives. The business applications in the middle level are both cross-industry and industry-specific software offerings from SAP. They include My SAP Business Suite family of business applications, SAP X applications package, composite applications, and other SAP applications that perform specialized functions in particular industries. These business applications are assembled as needed to create your business solutions as supported in the top layer. The integrated and application infrastructure on the lowest most level is the SAP NetWeaver technology platform. All SAP software offerings and a large ecosystem of SAP partner software offerings are built on the open SAP NetWeaver technology platform. Applications built on the SAP NetWeaver technology platform are easy to combine into highly industry specific business solutions and easy to integrate with non-SAP applications for added value. So I hope you understood the concept of the SAP products and SAP product portfolio. Thank you so much for attending this session. Thank you.